This 2026 Fleetwood Fortis 32RW is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanford, Florida, 32771 and is offered for sale by Mesa, RecVan, Sanford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a DOMINO interior. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.